Because the seller lovingly maintained this Hamilton model home, because she lavishly upgraded and updated it. For these and several other reasons, this is a home you can confidently purchase and move right in. The location is one of those other reasons from several perspectives. Cul-de-sac siting on a lushly wooded lot and a street that is closed at both ends. Add to that the short 3-minute drive to town center. Yes, you'll love the wood floors throughout the home, the upgraded cabinetry in the kitchen and bathrooms, the smooth ceiling, and the stainless steel appliances. And you will also enjoy the glassy Carolina room looking out on a tabby patio and that private wooded view. Adding to your confidence is the knowledge that the roof and energy-efficient HVAC system have been recently installed. There are so many tasteful touches in this home, such as designer window treatments, classy bathroom and kitchen backsplashes, and designer paint on every wall. Yes, there is a den, and there is also a handy kitchen office. Reasons enough? Well, there's more, much more, and you will discover it all when you inspect this lovely property.